Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we unlock the power of AI automations. Today I'm excited to walk you through another n8n workflow that builds an AI UGC ads for products, creating realistic user-generated style videos that feel authentic and engaging, like influencer content. Whether you're a marketer crafting social ads, a small business owner showcasing products casually, or part of our Easy Mode AI school community, this workflow will make user-generated content production effortless. And remember, this is the worst this type of user-generated content will ever look. As we know, this technology is getting better every single day. In Easy Mode AI, we share builds like this and connect with AI automation builders who come for the content and stay for the incredible network. Let's break it down. We begin with the Telegram trigger node, firing up the workflow when you send a product photo, say a snack bar or gadget, with a caption for your vision. It's mobile-friendly for on-the-go creators. An if node verifies the chat ID for security, routing unauthorized to a no operation node, while approved flows continue. A Telegram node responds with "Got it. I'm now crafting your prompts" for smooth user experience. The get image path node pulls the photo's file path from Telegram's API. Then the brief set node configures key variables: the image URL, video count, default 1, dialog prompt like suggest a script highlighting features and benefits, model, VO3, fast for speed, vertical aspect ratio for social, and special requests, such as diverse 21 to 29-year-old actors in casual scenes like a podcast studio, parked car selfie, mirror shot, city walk, beach, or street interview. Next, the OpenAI node analyzes the product image with GPT-4o, outputting a YAML with brand name, color scheme, font style, and visual description, ensuring the ad stays true to the product's look. These details power the UGC Logo Animator AI Agent node, the workflow's creative core, guided by 3 key tools and user/system prompts. The user prompt specifies video count, image analysis, YALM, aspect ratio, model, dialogue, and special requests. The system prompt casts the agent as a UGC specialist, emphasizing natural, candid iPhone-style videos, unpolished lighting, imperfect framing, relatable expressions, and real-world clutter, no stage perfection. It mandates exactly the requested scene count, diversity in gender, ethnicity, age, 21 to 38 unless specified, and casual dialogue under 200 characters with pauses via ka. Like, so TikTok made me buy this. It's super convenient for on-the-go snacks. Avoid double quotes in prompts. The OpenAI chat model, GPT 4.1 Mini, generates image/video prompts in YALM, with scenes like a young actor in a podcast setup holding the product. The Think tool verifies realism and accuracy, while the structured output parser formats into JSON for image prompt, static ad scene, and video prompt, dynamic UGC clip with action, camera like amateur iPhone selfie, slightly blurry, emotion, and dialogue. The split-out node separates outputs, feeding into Create Image via Key AI's API for the base ad visual. After wait 1, processing time, Get Image retrieves it. And if 1 node checks success, if yes, Create Video generates the UGC clip with VO3. If not, it loops back to wait. Wait 2 follows, then Get Video. If 2 verifies the video, if good, Get Video files prepares it. Else, retry. Finally, Telegram 1 sends the completed video back to you. Why is this a game changer? Marketers get authentic UGC ads that convert without hiring influencers. Small businesses produce diverse, relatable content on demand. And for our Easy Mode AI school community, it's a build you can tweak, improve, and scale with fellow automation builders. You come to Easy Mode AI for workflows like this, but you stay for the community of creators pushing AI automation forward. Ready to factory your UGC ads or share your own builds? Set this up in n8n, join Easy Mode AI, and let's work on these automations together. Drop your next automation idea in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more AI-powered workflows. Thanks for watching.